Just don't do nothing crazy. It's the only thing I ask. All right. Hello, hello. Mike Oaks with Earthworks. We are out here on a 3-week job. This job is kind of complicated. Again, like usual, this is usually one of our typical days. I have Patrick and Antonio out here with me today, using our noggins, trying to figure out what's our best solutions to get around some of these obstacles. So my first obstacle is the pool deck. I also have another deck right behind me. And then on my other side, I have pool equipment and fence that's super tight. So I won't be actually able to go in and out the fence like I normally would to excavate dirt, concrete, pulling out plants, things like that. That's pretty much what I have all week. This job is gonna be pretty interesting because we have a lot of foliage going over behind this area. We'll have hot tub and a whole bunch of plants and fire pit area over there. It's gonna be pretty cool. Definitely want to stay tuned to check that out. Of course, we have the basketball court. That's gonna stay. It's gonna be kind of like an accent area. And then we have the horseshoe area that's gonna come out. So that's a little bit too old school for them. So we're gonna pull that out and we're gonna replace that all with sod. Yeah, so definitely stay tuned. Check out the project coming in the following weeks.